Aloha, Jackie here. Thanks for joining me today in creating a card using Sweet Songbirds. Liking this new color, Starry Sky, so we'll be using that color. Using the 2022 to 2024 in color designer series paper pack. I cut this at what is this, 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, and then this was actually at the bottom when I cut it off, so this is actually 1/2 inch by 4 1/8 for the inside of the card. A thick basic white, cut at 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4, and this is just a scrap for stamping and punching our bird. And I forgot our scallop rectangle that I already had cut out. This is from the Scalloped Contours Dies. This is the one here, second one in. Love this set. If you don't have it, you have to get it, you know? I mean, it's awesome. Okay, I better make sure I put my card the way that I need it. I have so many colors out, you guys. I mean, I haven't used this many colors in a long time. So let's get stamping and punching out our bird. And let me get the punch. Let me see which way. Yes, it'll be this way. So I'll go ahead and stamp it. Excuse me. Goodness, nice and vibrant color. So dark. Yeah, very, very dark. Let's see how that'll be. And this one here, I guess I could put it here. Like that. It's such a dark color. Is it because my ink pad is very new? Very, very new. And then I'm going to use Mango Melody and punch out its beak. And I'm going to put it down here all the way at the corner. And that's it. And the only reason why I put it down there is I'm looking at my punch, and that's the orientation of it. I'm not doing the body. I'm just going to stamp the body in on... Oh, I didn't tell you what color this is. So saffron. Oh, goodness. Sticky, sticky. You can tell I hardly use so saffron, yeah. Just using it under here. I do not know what that part of the bird is called. Any of you know what part of the bird that is? You can let me know in the comments below. And then I'll go ahead and punch this out first. Can I do it? Can I do it? I didn't think about, you know what? Let's do this, and then I'll stamp that again. Did you see that? I almost cut out my bird, man. We don't want to cut out the bird. Let's just stamp that again. It's easier. I need the Starry Sky. And this. And I'll punch it out over here or stamp it over there. Okay, when we do this, guys, you got to do planning, yeah? Oh my gosh. Okay. Awesome. Looks awesome. Lots of things come flying out. Oh, there, I didn't need to. Look at that. All I had to do was punch out the bird first. No harm to the wing. Ah, there we go. And let's see which one I will be using. And then the rest I can put in the trash. Okay, and then done with the punch, right? Let's see what else. So let's put the bird to the side, off to the side. And then let's get to, or you know what? I forgot I still needed, I wanted to cut out, or am I going to just, use it. Now I'm going to cut it out. So I need another scrap of paper. And then I'm going to put the nest on there, and then I'm going to cut the nest out. And I'm also using soft suede for the branch. And I'm going to have the branch come in from this side. Just like that. Awesome. Looks so cute. And then, oh guys, I gotta open this up. Hold on. Okay guys, I'm back with the parakeet party. Putting it here at the edges. It doesn't have to touch. Such a nice green. Nice green. And then we have Sweet Sorbet for the flower. Uh-oh, I didn't do that very well. Trying again. Oh, awesome. What do you think? That looks good. And then for our eyes, we're using a Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I will do his eyes, bird's eyes. I don't know, I wonder if it'll be seen. Yeah, here you go. And then also gonna put the words up here. Well, let's do that at the end. Let me go ahead and cut out. Let me go ahead and cut this out. This is the nest, and it should be fairly easy and quick. I'm not going to go in any of the crevices or, you know, I'm just going right around in a circle. Quick one. I am leaving a little bit of white edge border. Then I was thinking of popping it up over here. So I'm grabbing some Stampin' Dimensionals. I'm also going to put it on the bird. I should also cut a little piece for his tail. Let's pop his tail up a little bit, or give it dimensional so that it's popped up with the rest of him. Okay. Okay, putting him there. I'm gonna put a little dab of glue right there for, let me get my, take your pick tool, because you know what, it's so hard to hold this. Put his beak. Cute, cute. And let me go ahead and put a little bit of glue behind his wing. Good job, it's so tiny, huh? Okay, now I can put the words. Because I can see I hardly have room for it. Let's put it down here instead. Awesome. Lucky thing, yeah, I'd wait. Awesome. Love it, love it. Okay, let's put it together and see how it looks. Okay. centering best as you can. I made the border very small. And then this I'm going to put on the inside. Right here to the side. And then this is just going right here on the front. Excuse me, guys, excuse me. And let's get some rhinestones. Okay. How about we just put it in the middle of the flowers? You know I like to do that. How does that look, you guys? Let me know in the comments below how you like that. Thanks again for joining me today. To order Stampin' Up! Products, please visit my online store. The website is linked in the description of this video. Don't forget to like this video by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Come back again soon. Bye!